bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn ògidì ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì. Táńtọ́lọ́run bàbá olóyin kan. Bàbá olóyin original. I'm saying that Yesiota. You cannot add chief to my name. You cannot add Mr. Please don't add late. Don't add late to my name. If you cannot add chief, you cannot add Mr. Call me ordinary Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì. Ogún ọdún lónìí ọgbọ̀n ọdún lónìí lágbára Ọlọ́run àjọ wà bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Yes, you meet me again. My people in South Africa. Mọ̀rọ̀wọ́ yín o. Mọ̀rọ̀wọ́ yín kì í sọwọ́ yìí o. Not that I see your hand like this. The way you are patronizing me. You in Italy. My people from Edo State. You are in Spain. You are in Italy. You are in Germany. Igbo people. Igbo people. Kedu or deliver. When I see those who pay to me, who are giving me money, when I see the names, I always appreciate. I always appreciate Igbo people, Edo people, Yoruba people. You are my people. You are in Nigeria already. Some of you have already bought my books right from Adota Wusaton Beninu 50 ways of using honey. But the way you people are from, people from Italy, the way they used to share these programs, I always appreciate you. I told one man, the man came from Ghana. I told them, he came with the wife. I won't mention names. So, I told them, when they told me their names, I said, Edo, they said they are from Edo. I said, Edo people, they are my customer. When I see this type of names, so names, so names, I know they are my Edo people from Italy, from Spain, from Germany. Please, as you used to share this program, don't forget to share as usual. And those of you that never subscribe to this channel, please subscribe. You see the subscribe channel, you will see the subscribe button there. Just press it. If you have subscribed before, this thing will tell you subscribe, cancel, and unsubscribe or cancel. And if you have subscribed before, you just leave it. You don't need to press anything again. Because if you have subscribed before, this channel will ask you, you want to subscribe, you want to cancel or unsubscribe. So if you have subscribed before, you just cancel it. Edo people in Italy, in Spain, in Germany, in London, in America. Well, I thank you because the way you used to respond to my program. And Ghana people, they don't do every time. When I see +233, I know that my people from Ghana. God will bless you. Who am I? I'm a small boy. Though I'm going to 66, but I'm still a small boy. Yes. God will bless you and reach your purpose. My people in USA, those people, they are from different parts of the country in Nigeria. They are different parts of the country in Ghana, in London, Germany, then USA. Moreover, I can never do without thanking you. Because some people used to give me money from America. When they said they cannot send money to Nigeria again, they are finding ways to send money. God will bless you and enrich your purse. Today, I want to tell you, some people, when they borrow money, they cannot pay, they cannot repay. They didn't use the money to buy clothes. They didn't use money to buy food. They put the money on business, but they cannot repay. Some people will decide to kill themselves. All of you heard the story of a woman who wanted to jump into lagoon because she couldn't repay the loan she borrowed. She couldn't repay the loan she borrowed. And it's happening like that. So when you borrow money, then you put it in a business, and the business is not moving, you are going to spend both the gains and capital. You will spend the gains and the capital when your business is not moving. When your business is moving, you are making profit every day. You buy another one, you see the gain of 500 naira, 2,000 naira. You will see money. But when you put money in a packet and the business is not moving, you begin to hold people. I want to tell you the secret today. Get seated. Get seated. I will tell you. Don't forget, I'm Baba Oloyin original. I'm staying at Yesota. Baba Oloyin bus stop. Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesota. My telephone number 0054749455. You will see it at the bottom of this video. The program you are watching is Baba Oloyin original. Baba Oloyin original program, and you are watching from Baba Oloyin original television. Baba Oloyin original television. You borrow money to do business. The business is not functioning. You will not have time to pay back the loan. Some people, they used to send messages on my phone. So person borrowed money. She couldn't pay again. If you know him or her, tell him or her to come and pay our debt. I was not there when you are borrowing yourself money. What it concern me? Like people, Igbo people, Abi Pidgin. What concerns me about that one? One Mrs. Latifatu, she borrowed money, she didn't get. So if you know her, I don't know her. When you are borrowing the person money, I was not there. Why do you say that type of message to me? But for the benefit of those who are borrowing money and they couldn't repay back, sometimes it is not their fault. Because the money they borrowed, they want to put it on business, and the business is not functioning well. They have to hold you. They will be running away. Some people will lock shop to go and do any other business outside the shop. So when you go there to find the address of the shop, they will tell you that the person has complained, shall never come to shop for 3 months. So this is what you will do. I will tell you. You see, it has been happening before and not now alone. If you borrow money and you are unable to pay, don't kill yourself. I beg you in the name of God, the name of Almighty God. Don't kill yourself. Don't run away from your house. If a man don't run away from your wife because of borrow money that you borrow, and you put in a business and the business collapse, this is what you can do, and what our father has done before, and it worked for them. We have never witnessed this before. It's just as if you are making other people to panic about the situation. If this type of problem happen, it has happened to our forefathers before. When they used to get loan from cocoa farmers, cocoa producers. When it is time to pay, sometimes they will not be able to pay. They used to take loan from farm produce, this pakane producer. But when they start to repay, sometimes they don't see money to repay. This is what you can do. Everybody know cooking salt. You know cooking salt. A woman can never do without cooking salt. Efe sata, efe sebe, efe gunya, efe ruka. You can never do without cooking salt. Go and get cooking salt. The one you used or your wife used to used to add in the soup for you, you can buy a sachet. If you cannot get a sachet, the one they have already wrapped in a nylon in the market, get it. The house you are living, use salt to wet the surroundings of your house. Surroundings of your house. You are living bedroom, 3-bedroom flat. Small. Don't overdo it. Don't do it to the extent that other people will see you and think that you are doing ritual. No, small thing. Small. But if you are living in a government flat, like Jakande Estate, God will bless that man in the grave. Go to Amuwo Odofin, Jakande Estate. Ipaja, Jakande Estate. Abesan, Jakande Estate. Ikorodu, Jakande Estate. Ijayi, Jakande Estate. Jakande Estate. Lateef Jakande. Alhaji Lateef Jakande again. You will sleep well in your grave. You will sleep well in your grave. A day is coming when I will do special program that month. But ẹ bá mi kí ọmọ rẹ̀ ó ṣoríire ni o. Wọ́n mọ̀ ṣoríire ni lágbára Ọlọ́run. Yes. If you are living in that estate, you cannot do that one. So if you are living in an estate, you can put salt in the 4 corners of your room. It will work for you. Because when you are living in a government house, that Jakande Estate or Gowon Estate or your Shagari Estate, if you begin to do that one, people will suspect you. And you that were a church goer, you usually carry Bible every Sunday. They will tell you, see this person and he called himself a Christian. You do it in your room. Put salt in 4 corners of your room. Every 3 days. If it is in room, I want to do it. If the one you put never turn to water, add another one to it. 4 corners of your room. Within 1 month, your debtor you will also call you that he or she has forgiven you, or you will see money to repay back. Quote me anywhere, tested and confirmed. I never put this inside my book. But in my comic book, don't be surprised if you see it there. Because many people will be calling me that they have tested it and it worked for them. Some people are calling me how they can record their runaway wife, how they can get back their runaway husband. Some people, they ran away from their wife. They are in other countries. I don't want to mention some. Some people, their wife ran away with a strange husband. They are in Nigeria, suffering. I will teach you later. It's only a mirror. Bọ́mọdé bá jí, ara ẹ̀ ló máa ń rí inú dígí. Bágbà bá jí, ara rẹ̀ ló máa ń rí inú dígí. If a small boy open glass, a mirror, he or she will see herself or himself inside mirror. If an older woman, an elderly woman or man open glass, mirror, he or she will see herself in the mirror. I will teach you later. Though that one is coming in a new book. Tọ́mọdé bá jí ara rẹ̀ ló máa ń rí inú díngí. Bágbà bá jí ara rẹ̀ ló máa ń rí inú díngí. Kí lẹ́yìn fi láyé yìí pé àràgbé láyé o. That one is coming in another book. Some people are asking me, African Power, Baba, you should do second part. You should do part 2. I said, you people have never satisfied me with the first part. Many people are calling me. Their husband abandoned them in Nigeria after they have sold the properties. They ran away from them. They married an Oyinbo woman. Oyinbo woman promised them visa. Who promised them green card without doing anything? It's going to be in my new book. But if I have time, I can teach you. So that when you give me testimony, I will be sure myself to put it in a book. But for those of you that owe people, don't forget, put salt in the 4 corners of your room. But if you are the owner of the house, put it all around your house. your debtor will either forgive you or you will see money to repay back the loan. It's what I come today to teach you. To teach you. Yes, coming back to home. Ẹ̀yin ajìjàgbara Yorùbá ó dáa fún yín o. Báwa náà ṣe jàǹgbà June 12 rèé. Báwa ṣe jàǹgbà June 12 rèé. Àwọn tí ó bá wa dá sí tí wọ́n sá lọ fún wa gbà June 12 lé. Àwọn náà dágbádá bolẹ̀ kí. Ẹlòmíì ṣe gómìnà tàn bá ọdún mẹ́jọ tó ń ṣe sẹ́nẹ́tọ̀ fọ́dún mẹ́ẹ̀ẹ́dógún. Ọlọ́run yóò fún gbogbo yín ṣe o. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá ìtọ́ ẹ̀kẹ́ rí nínú kinní yẹn ẹ bá ń rí nínú rẹ̀. Yorùbá ìfi gbogbo ẹnu sọ̀rọ̀. Nǹkan ń bẹ lọ́wọ́ Yorùbá ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ gbòòrò gbé jáde ẹ gbòòrò jáde o ẹ dákẹ́ mọ́ yàrá. I did it in my program last program kan mo sọ kárí ká má jáde kọ́ máa pọ̀ ní bàbá Ìgbòho bàbá gbá pàtẹ́ ṣẹ́gun ẹ jáde ní ìsìnkẹ́pẹ́ yìí bàbá Ìgbòho kẹ́pẹ́ lóògùn kẹ́gbógun jà ẹ gbógun yín ta. Èmi ni bàbá àṣẹyìn o bàbá yín Fìdítì bàbá yín Èkìtì ẹ ní nǹkan ẹbùn má bí aṣọ ẹ lìkì mọ́ yàrá. Sunday Igboho nìkan ló yọjú tàtẹ́ ń rí Ọlọ́run yóò fún yín ṣe o gbogbo ẹ̀ tẹ́ ẹ wá bọ́ ọ̀tá náà Olúwa yóò ràn yín lọ́wọ́ o yóò fún yín ṣe o bá a ṣe jagun June 12 náà rèé o. Táwọn tí ò bá dá sí àṣà lọ ń lé tí wọ́n bá dé tán lágbádá bolẹ̀ tí wọ́n wá nà ká tí wọ́n ń là fún wa. A ní mo wọ márúwá kẹ̀kẹ́ napep nígbà mo ní mo wọ márúwá kìí ṣe inú márúwá ni mo wọ o márúwá kọ́ ló ń dá sí fún wa. Gómìnà Èkó tẹ́lẹ̀ ni tó ṣe kẹ̀kẹ́ márúwá obìnrin kan sọ ó ní àwọn apọkọ ọ̀hún lánàá pọ́n lọ sọ̀rọ̀ pé kò tí ì yẹ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ kò tí ì yẹ kó ṣe ó lóun wá pọkọ ọ̀hún pé kí ló dé tẹ́ ẹ sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ó ní mo rò pé wọ́n lè pè mí kí n gbé káwa náà gbé Ghana must go wa káwa máa gbà ní bí wọ́n ṣe máa gbà bí wọ́n ṣe gbàǹgbà June 12 ni sọ̀rọ̀ nu ó lóun náà pè ọlọ́kọ̀ ọ̀hún sọ pé bóun bá sọ̀rọ̀ bóun ṣe sọ̀n bóyá wọn ó pò náà kó náà wá fi Ghana must go gbá ní gbàkínní wọ́n lẹ́nìkan jọ kan ó ní kọ̀fẹ́ káwọ́ lọ́wọ́ ṣe pírẹ́sidẹ́ǹtì gbogbo kòtò tó gbẹ́ ẹ̀mí báwọn ará bí ó ṣe rìn bí wọ́n ṣe rìn ogun ló kó sí kòtò yẹn. olóòwe lọ̀rọ̀ mọ̀ bá wí wọ́n ní òní kú sí bí aṣọ ẹ̀ wà òun pé rọ́ ó kú bí aṣọ ẹ̀ rò sí náà. yes ẹ tẹ́ ọmọ kòtò gbẹ́ ẹ máa gbé báyìí ọmọ yóò jẹ kísà nínú yà. Gbogbo èyí tẹ́ ẹ fẹ́ ni fẹ́ bí bálàrọ̀ bá ní ó dáa fún yín alálẹ́ òní gbà. Gbogbo ẹni tí ó bá fẹ́ yóò bá fún rere òfò lómi ẹ̀fọ́ ṣe gbogbo yín ẹ̀ ṣòfò dànù. Ẹni tí ó bá fẹ́ fún rere tí ó fẹ́ yóò bá fún rere òfò lómi ẹ̀fọ́ ṣe gbogbo yín ẹ̀ ṣòfò dànù ni. Abiyamọ ìṣépè èyí tí mo wí àrọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ mọ́ ni àrọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ mọ́. Èyí tí mo wí àrọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ mọ́ wọn lábẹ́ àmì ìṣépè àmì èyí tí mo wí àrọ̀ ọmọ ọ̀rọ̀ mọ́ gbogbo ẹjọ́ bá fẹ́ yóò bá fún rere òfò lómi ẹ̀fọ́ ṣe ẹ̀ mọ̀ ṣòfò dànù. Ìyà kì í somi ọbẹ̀ bàbá mọ́ jẹ́ ń jìyà ìyà kì í ṣe sàláàdì bàbá mọ́ jẹ́ ń jìyà o ìyà kì í somi ọbẹ̀ bàbá mọ́ jẹ́ ń jìyà o mọ̀mọ́ mi Bọ́lá rẹ ẹ má fìnnú orin yín mo yálò láàárọ̀ yìí. Ìyà kì í somi ọbẹ̀ bàbá mọ́ jẹ́ ń jìyà o ìyà kì í somi ọbẹ̀ bàbá mọ́ jẹ́ ń jìyà o ìyà kì í ṣe sàláàdì bàbá mọ́ jẹ́ ń jìyà o ìyà kì í somi ọbẹ̀ bàbá mọ́ jẹ́ ń jìyà o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni a ní jí àtayàtọ̀ mọ̀. Ìyá kan wọ márúwá kẹ̀kẹ́ márúwá ní pẹ̀lú mi jọ kan ọlọ́mọ mẹ́rin ló ti bí wọ́n jáde wọn ò ríṣẹ́ wọ́n ń gbọ́ ọ̀kadà kí agbèrò òtún náà wọ́n tójú wọn ò wù wálé wọ́n wá dẹgbẹ́ ẹni tí ó kàwé ẹni tó lọ rán mọ́ tiẹ̀ ní primary 6 tó ń gun ọ̀kadà tó ń gun márúwá kí wọ́n wá ń sẹgbẹ́ ẹni tó lọ yunifásitì tó dé ṣé bí ó ṣe máa rí lọ nìyí kò lè lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ títí. Yorùbá ẹ̀sìn báyìí wàláhì ọba tó kọ ọmọ Ísírẹ́lì yọ tó pọ́n délẹ̀ lérí yóò kó Yorùbá délẹ̀ lérí bẹ́ẹ̀ ni yes ẹ tẹ́ ẹ mo rò gbé ẹ rò gbé báyìí ẹ tẹ́ ẹ mẹsẹ̀ ẹlẹ́sẹ̀ bù ẹ rẹ̀sẹ̀ bù báyìí àbúrò bàbá yín tẹ̀fẹ̀ kọ́ wo kó mọ́ ẹ̀rọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe lè dànù ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ mọ nǹkan fẹ́ ta tẹ́ ẹ mọ nǹkan fẹ́ lúyàn tẹ́ ẹ mẹsẹ̀ bù ń gbẹlẹ̀ gbé sí Yorùbá ìfi gbogbo ẹnu sọ̀rọ̀ nǹkan dẹ̀ ń bẹ lọ́wọ́ Yorùbá o nǹkan mẹ́wàá ń bẹ lọ́wọ́ Yorùbá àfi tí wọn bá tí ì fẹ́ lò máa gbòòrò jáde wọ́n lè gbégún jáde wọ́n ní wọ́n gbégún olóòlù jáde nìbàdàn wọ́n náà kàn ní olóòlù mọ́ wá rẹ́rìn ẹ tó pẹ̀ mọ́ ní kí ni ìdánilójú pẹ́ tó lọ olóòlù ìlàjì wọn ò kúnjọ́ kejì ọlọ́pàá ò ní mú wọn lójú ẹsẹ̀ torí bí wọn dé bá búrò kò tó ń bojú wẹ̀yìn òòjọ́ kọ́ lolúwẹ̀rẹ̀ pààyàn wọ́n ní ọ̀nà olóòlù wọ́n náà gangan wọ́n olóòlù mọ́lù máa ń bẹ̀ mọ́lù ń bẹ́ ńlẹ̀ Yorùbá téèyàn bá náàyàn ẹni ó kú ni wọ́n kírun wàláhì kì í ṣe tọrọ ẹnu àwọn oògùn kan bẹ́ ńlẹ̀ Yorùbá téèyàn bá náàyàn tọ́wọ́ ipa aago mẹ́sàn-án aago mẹ́wàá ni tọ́wọ́ jẹ́ mùsùlùmí lẹ́ni tó náàyàn wọ́n kírun sí láago mẹ́rin ọ̀sán ni wàláhì mọ́lù ń bẹ àlùwò ń bẹ ṣubúṣeré ń bẹ nílẹ̀ Yorùbá nílẹ̀ fi Yorùbá pè bí Yorùbá bá bọ́ ọjà láago 12 kọ́tà tó 12 yóò máa bẹ́ẹ̀ ta lúdò ní kọ́ ọmọ bá fura gbogbo ẹ̀ tẹ́ ẹ jáde àjìjàgbara Olúwa yóò ràn yín lọ́wọ́ o àwa ti ṣe ń gbà June 12 èmi ti ń dàgbà báyìí o àwa wà ní bíi 30-40 nígbà 1993 yes tẹ́ bá ń gbọ́ Sẹ̀sà Adéwùsì ní o táńtọ́lọ́run nínú ewì àmì rẹ́kọ̀dì la ṣe ń gbà June 12 àwọn tí ò bá wa dá sí wọ́n sá lọ nílé fún wa àwọn ní wọ́n dé tí wọ́n dàgbà gbádà bolẹ̀ tí wọ́n là fún wa báyìí bọ́bẹ̀ bá dé lẹ́tànlẹ̀ Yorùbá àwọn kan wà máa kágbádà kiri gbogbo wọn mórí mú báyìí o wọ́n fẹ̀gbẹ́ inú kan sọ̀rọ̀ béèyàn ò mú Ọlọ́run yóò mú béèyàn ò mú Ọlọ́run yóò mú obìnrin tó ti lé àlèdè tó ń mọ́kọ ẹ̀ lójú títí jọ́mi ìtẹ́ máa pàdé mi èmi ní Sẹ̀sà Adéwùsì Tátọ́nà bàbá olóyè original. Don't forget my telephone number is at the bottom of this video 08054749455 08054749455 láyọ̀ o.